If you want to organize your tasks more efficiently, using tags in TickTick is a great way to group related tasks and make them easier to find. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags in TickTick step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open an existing task or create a new one by clicking the Add Task ** button. Next, enter your task title and any additional details you want to include, such as a due date, reminder, or priority level. Now, look for the *tags * option in the task editor. Click or tap it to add one or more tags to your task. If you've already created tags, simply select them from the list. If not, type a new tag name and create it directly from the same menu. You can assign multiple tags to a single task, making it easy to categorize tasks by project, work, personal, study, or any system that fits your workflow. Once you've finished adding your tags, save the task. The tags will now appear with the task and can be used to quickly filter and organize your task lists. To view tasks with a specific tag, open the Tags section or use the Filter option to display only tasks that match the selected tag. If you ever need to rename or remove a tag, open the Tag Management section, make your changes, and they'll automatically apply to all associated tasks. And that's how to add tags in TickTick. Yeah, using tags is a simple way to keep your tasks organized, improve productivity, and find important items much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.